Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Amazon affiliate link to Instagram story. So first things first, let's open up our Amazon app. Now you need to remember that you need to have an Amazon Associate account before you can do this one. So in my case, I already have an Amazon Associates account and yeah, I'm here in my Amazon. So I'm just going to browse for some products, say for example this one here. Okay, so we're going to click this one here and we're going to take a picture of this one. So say for example, okay, this one. Say for example, I'm going to grab a picture of this. I'm just going to screenshot it and then we're going to go back and click the share button here. And you should be able to see here my store ID as well as my tracking ID. However, down below, if I'm going to scroll down here, you should see copy associates link. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, after copying that one, before we are going to go there, we're just going to resize our picture. So it's going to be this one. I'm just going to click edit and then I'm going to resize it so that all I'm seeing is just the picture itself. Save as new, and then we're going to open our Instagram this time. We're going to click this here, we're going to click story, and we're going to upload that particular picture. So it should be this picture. And the next thing that I'm going to do is click the sticker icon here, and we're going to scroll down until we see a link. We're going to tap on that and we're going to paste the link that we have copied here. So again, this is the Amazon affiliate link to that particular product. Now I'm going to add a custom sticker text also. So we're just going to go back and see what the name of this device is. So this is Jabra Elite 4. So I'm just going to put that here and then click done. Alright, there you go. So paste this anywhere you want. I think it's going to be recommended that you put it in the bottom, but yeah, it definitely depends on your setup. Another thing that you can do really is you can tap on it in order to change its color. So say for example, what I want really is this one. Okay, and then I'm going to click this one here in order to add it to my story. Okay, so we're going to open our story. And there you go. So if I'm going to tap on it, you should be able to see here visit link. So this is again our affiliate link. And yes, congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to add Amazon affiliate link to Instagram story.